This tree was collected spring of 2019, and I let it grow all that year and then the next year. And then this spring, 2021, you can see it's grown quite a bit, but the trunk on the right I had wired, and it actually bit in too much and then died. And so that's why I ginned that whole side. And here it is saddled up this spring, so 2021. And the wires also really started cutting because the tree just took off with the new container and everything. And so I had to kind of let it grow. And then, yeah, here we are for today's video. So I worked on this tree in the spring, and I'm looking at a new angle for it. I think right there. I want it kind of inviting in here. I didn't like this just straight flat across, so I wanted that kind of inviting. And I pushed this out with just a piece of wire. It was too tight in there and slightly crossing over, so I put a wire in there. As I move it to this direction, what this branch here starts to cross over, so I may kind of keep it crossing over and try to use something to hide it, and then pull this down to make something. To make another lower branch, or maybe the final lower primary branch eventually, but it's just, I'm not sure if it's strong enough. What's cool about working on this tree right now is that you can see the little buds. So like in this branch here, there's bud there. So it gives you a good chance to work on it. Now there's a couple branches that, well, this one's dead. I'm just gonna cut this back. A couple other branches, like this one is just so thick. I have a real problem here. Too many branches. Same with up here. So I've wired the ones I'm going to keep, and for now I'm just going to cut this back one. Mostly I'm deciding this because it's just so thick. I'm going to give it a little bit of knob to heal. The other one here, I'm going to cut. So here I have this problem of just a huge whorl branch. It's going to make thickness there and a little knob, so cut that off. Cut it back later. And then the other one is this one. I hadn't totally decided because these two are going to be strong enough. And then this one here, so probably these two and this front one will go. But, and then there's two back ones, or two here, the one can kind of push back. So I'm thinking this one will go too.